Today's video is on the problem related to Laurent series, and this topic is from complex power series. And in today's video, I am going to expand 1 by z square into z minus 3 whole square as Laurent series in the region mod z less than 1 and next one mod z greater than 3. So clearly from the question, what is f of z given? So f of z is given as 1 by this is z square into this is z minus 3 whole square. So clearly the region here is for the case 1, it is given that mod z less than 1. And if you observe this mod z, if it's mod z less than 1, so this is even less than 2, even less than 3. So you can extend this one region. So f of z, if I take this one, so this is nothing but z square into z minus 3 whole square. So according to our Laurent series, see here among z and 3, which one is greater one? So here clearly 3 is greater one. So now I am going to take that greater one common. So here I am taking minus 3 whole square common. This will be 1 minus this is z by 3 square. And f of z is equal to, see here f of z is equal to, so this is minus 3 square is 9, this is z square, and if I send it to the numerator, this is 1 minus z by 3 power minus 2. And I'll show you one expansion here. So this is 1 minus x, this is 1 minus x power minus 2. It can be expanded as 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus and so on. So if I consider this as 1 minus x power minus 2, and this expansion will be f of z is equal to, this is 1 by 9z square, this will be 1 plus 2z by 3 plus this will be 2z by 3 plus 3 into z by 3 square plus and so on. So if you expand in this notation, so here f of z can be written as, so f of z is very clear as this is 1 by 9z square, and this is 1 plus 2 times of z by 3 and 3 times of z by 3 square plus and so on, can be written as sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity. This is n plus 1 times of this is z plus 3 power n. So if you put n is equal to 0, so this will be 0 and this is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So if you keep n is equal to 1, this is 1 plus 1 2 and this is z by 3 power 1. And if you keep n is equal to 2 here, this is 2 plus 1 3 and z by 3 square. So this is the Laurent series expansion for the region mod z less than 1. And for the second case, so what is the second case here? That is mod z greater than 3. So case 3 here is mod z is greater than 3. Solution 3. Solution 2. So what is our f of z? So for f of z is nothing but, see, f of z is very clear here as 1 by this is z square into z minus 3 square. So this is z minus 3 square. So if you observe this one, among z and 3, which one is greater? Z is greater. So I am taking z common. So f of z is equal to 1 by z square times of, if I take z square common, this will be 1 minus 3 by z square. So this is very clear as f of z is equal to, this is 1 by z power 4 into 1 minus 3 by z power minus 2. So again this is of the expansion 1 minus x power minus 2. 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x power x cube plus and so on. So I am going to expand this as, so f of z as 1 by z power 4. This is 1 plus 2 times of 3 by z plus 3 times of 3 by z square plus 4 times of 3 by z cube plus and so on. Plus and so on. So this can be written as f of z is equal to, this is 1 by z power 4 into, this is sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity, again n plus 1 times of 3 by z power n. 3 by z power n. So if you keep n is equal to 0 here, this is 1 And this is anything to the power of 0 is 1. So clearly this is 1. If you keep n is equal to 1, this is 1 plus 1, 2, 3 by z square. 3 by z power 1. If you keep n is equal to 2, this is 2 plus 1, 3, and z by 3 by z square. So this is how we have to expand using the Laurent series. See, first of all, what is given? So f of z is given as 1 by z square into z minus 3 square from the question. And the region is given as mod z less than 1. If z is less than 1, it is less than 2, less than 3, and so on. And therefore f of z. So if you compare among z and 3, so which one is greater? 3 is greater, that's why I have taken 3 common. So this is after taking from square, this will be minus 3 square, so this is positive 9. 9 z square into 1 minus z by 3 power minus 2. And this is the expansion binomial theorem. If you see, so this is the expansion of 1 minus x power minus 2, and after expanding I have written like this. And the second question here, region here is mod z greater than 3, and f of z is again 1 by z square into z minus 3 square. So among z and 3, z is greater. I have taken z common, and this is 1 by z power 4. If I send it to the numerator, this is 1 minus 3 by z power minus 2. And after expanding, this is the final expansion according to the Laurent series. Thank you so much for watching. And if you watch the playlist, so many videos are ready for you for your preparation. If you really like them, please pass it on to your friends. Please practice, and definitely you can score more. And thank you so much for watching and staying till the end.